Good afternoon. Friday the 13th, 2018. Time to wrap up today's trading and take a look at Sunday night, Monday morning. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Okay, an hour ago I was guessing that we might close the market at 61, kind of right in the middle, right where volume was. You can see right here we've got ourselves a move out of the middle, and we're getting lower highs, and we did get stops below that low right there. Haven't gotten stops below 50 just yet. So if we come back down and we can't crack this 50 level right there and we start back up, that's when I would cover my shorts. Again, really choppy sideways, and you can again, when you look at here's a high at 1326. We move out of that at 1410. So that's 40 minutes. So this 30 to 40 minutes in an area is when you'd start to look for move, the next move to start, and that works out really well for us. Far as the trades go, retest failure. This B makes us a little. Retest failure with a failed auction, scratch, depending on where you get in. Buy right here makes a little. S probably a scratch. Mean green, plus. So you can see right here back in this area that Fibonacci retracement, mean greens, value area lows, leaning against the structure, really helped your trading. 200, I believe that's the, gosh, I don't know what moving average it is. I'll have to go back and check. But anyway, this is on a 2-minute chart, so it's a little bit different than a normal chart, and you have to use that in conjunction with your F6. Looking for a blue bar or a red bar, 1 bar before you get it on this chart. Okay, looking at the F1 screen in a trading range. Coming off the bottom, news just all over the map. This nonsense that's going on in Washington, D.C. continues to go. Right now, this afternoon, we get news that the Armada, a French missile ship, a United States missile ship, are moved into the Mediterranean, steaming towards Syria. We get some people coming out saying it's just absolutely ludicrous that Assad would attack his own people, especially when he was winning the war against the rebels right there. Then you get Francis Macron says, well, we know there was a gas attack. I don't know what the truth is, but it just logically doesn't make a hell of a lot of sense to me. Okay, so again, dependent upon the news, lower high, a higher low, and a higher high. So F1 says we can buy it. Looking at the F2 screen, definitely a B. And market is trying to trade lower right here, getting stops below 50. The news on Monday, we do have news. I don't know what it is. Retail sales, X auto will be the focus. Empire Manufacturing Survey, housing market index, and business inventories. So retail sales, X autos. Tuesday we'll have industrial production. Okay, right here, based on a close at 53, we're trying to sell 59s to 64s, 69s to 74s. On the buy side, if it were to close right here, buying 46s to 51s. Sunday night in Globex will adjust Monday morning, and then 36 to 41 for buy 2. Okay, we thought we'd probably get a pause day in treasuries because it was settlement day, and that's pretty much what happened. Lower high, lower low on the 10-year says find a place to sell it. We have ourselves a P in a sideways market, so there was some buying down here. Weren't able to execute at 19, so we'll put 16 to 20, sell 1. 23, 27, sell 2. On the buy side, we did have a 9 to 13 for buy 1. That worked. And 1 to 5 for buy 2. And looking at the 30-year, I've got resistance at 20 to 24. Sell 27.31. 3 to 7, sell 2. A lot of it be dependent on what happens to the Emini over the weekend. Last rotate down on M stopped at 13. This was tough. So I guess 12 to 16 is the first little band of support. Buy 5 to 9, buy 1. Buy 29 to 01 for buy 2. Gold, we finally got stops above 1350. It took a long time. Lower high, higher low, inside day trading range is what that suggests to me. Pretty strong close right here, so we'll make 50, 52, sell 1. 54, 56, sell 2. On the buy side, 44, 46, buy 1. Give ourselves a little wiggle room, not a lot. Then 40 to 42, buy 2. And looking at crude, higher low, higher high. Definition of an uptrend. There's our move out of the middle. You could do an end split, that low that's controlling the latest rally, and put these together like that. Probably not the right split. Probably Q's the right split. We'll just leave it at that. Keep it simple. Okay, we tried to trade higher. Ran out of gas. We had a sell at 25 to 50. Early on, that stopped the market. We were hoping to buy 66.50s to 75s, did not get close. 67. Stops below 67 was the best we could have done. Potential move out of the middle right here. Again, if we do fire missiles and do that, price of crude will be higher. Sell 1, 50 to 75, 68, 68 and a quarter. Sell 2, 66, 75, 67 buy 1, 66 and a quarter, 66.50 buy 2. And to our last contract in the afternoons, which is always the euro. We do the Emini first, so you can still trade it. Pretty choppy right here, but trying to trade up. Inside day, so that's the trading range. Come Monday, we have news that can move the markets. I imagine that retail sales ex autos will. You can see we don't have a lot of range right here. And this is 3 tick increments, so see what it looks like on 2. Oh, got a lot more range to work with that way, right? 124 even, sell 1. 24, 25, sell 2. 75 is the bottom of value, buy 1. 50, buy 2. And we'll see what that looks like that bright and early Monday morning. Well, we're going to be cold this weekend. I've got 5 logs left, so we'll burn our last fire. Hopefully, that's our last real cold blast with a killing frost. Hopefully that's behind us. But I'm not going to hold my breath either. Y'all have a great weekend. I'll see you bright and early Monday morning. I'm out of here.